Welcome back to Droppy, where we highlight the best airdrops and early Web3 projects you can join today. In this video, we're covering Grass, a decentralized network that rewards you for something you're already paying for, your internet connection. Grass allows anyone to share unused internet bandwidth in just 3 clicks. That bandwidth is used by verified institutions to enhance their online services. In return, you earn Grass points, which determine how many Grass tokens you'll receive in future airdrops. Unlike other bandwidth sharing platforms, Grass is privacy first. It cannot see your personal data or browsing activity. It's been recognized as safe to use by leading antivirus providers, and it's designed only to contribute bandwidth, nothing more. So how do you get started? Click the link in the description to install the Grass extension. Connect your wallet, let Grass run in the background, and you'll start earning points automatically. The more you contribute, based on your bandwidth, usage patterns, and location, the more tokens you can expect in future airdrops. Grass is building a more equitable internet. The first airdrop took place in October 2024, distributing 100 million tokens to over 2 million users. If you missed it, don't worry. More airdrops are planned, and joining now gives you a head start. So if you want to earn from your idle internet connection without sacrificing privacy or performance, join Grass today. Click the link below to get started. And stay tuned to Droppy for the latest airdrops and Web3 rewards.